Ever pondered over the process of establishing a data governance council? How does one go about creating this pivotal entity that holds the reins to strategic data management in an organization? Today, we'll delve into the nitty-gritty of setting up a data governance council. In a world where data has become the new oil, governing its use, storage, and security is paramount. A data governance council, often the spine of any successful data management strategy, helps to ensure data is handled responsibly and maximizes its value. So, how do you create one? The first step is identifying the need. Understand why a data governance council is crucial for your organization. Is it to improve data quality? Or perhaps to ensure compliance with data protection regulations? Once you've pinpointed the need, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, define the scope of your data governance council. Will it oversee all data across the entire organization, or will it focus on specific business areas or types of data? Defining the scope helps to set clear boundaries and expectations for what the council will manage. The third step is to identify the stakeholders. These individuals will be the key players in your council. They could include top management, data managers, data custodians, and even employees who frequently use data in their roles. Their input will be vital in shaping the council's policies and procedures. Once you have your stakeholders, it's time to establish the governance structure. This includes defining roles and responsibilities, creating a decision-making process, and setting up communication channels. Remember, a well-defined structure promotes efficiency and harmony within the council. The fifth step is to develop the council's policies and procedures. These guidelines will dictate how data is managed, used, and protected within the organization. They should be comprehensive, covering everything from data quality control to privacy and security measures. Lastly, but certainly not least, is the implementation of these policies and procedures. This involves training staff, setting up monitoring systems to ensure compliance, and regularly reviewing and updating the policies to keep them current and effective. And there you have it. 6 simple steps to establish a data governance council. To recap, start by identifying the need, then define the scope, identify the stakeholders, establish the governance structure, develop policies and procedures, and finally, implement them. Remember, a successful data governance council is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It requires careful planning and execution, and most importantly, it should be tailored to fit the specific needs and goals of your organization. In the end, the effort is well worth it. A robust data governance council will not only ensure that your data is managed responsibly, but it will also help your organization unlock the true potential of its data, paving the way for innovation and growth. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the process of establishing a data governance council. We hope that this provides a clear roadmap to navigate the complex world of data governance. Happy governing!